ngayon sa car kasi aalis kami ni Daddy dahil magpe-prepare kami for New Year. And, alam nyo, New Year's Eve na. Pero, wala akong anything. Like, walang fruits na, alam mo yun, like, always, we need round fruits. So, kaya pupunta tayo ng store and, meron tayo, ang plan ko na lutuin for tonight's, dinner is lumpia and pansit. So, kaya aalis tayo para bumili ng mga kailangan natin. And of course, hindi mo walang ating fruits, round fruits. Yun ang pinaka-importante na ko is every year na meron tayong round fruit. Kaya, yes. So, Happy New Year! Oh my gosh! Actually, New Year's na ngayon sa Pilipinas dahil na doon 37 a.m. And dito sa amin is tanghali na po, 12:37 na, kaya ayun. So, let's go! Guys, tignan nyo, oh. Nandito na ang Valentine's. Hindi pa nga tapos ang New Year, Valentine's na agad. Ang cute. Oh my gosh. Ang daming nakaano ngayon, oh. Ang cute nito. Ito yung mga cups. Ay. Ito yung mga nagva-viral ngayon, eh. Ito yung mga Hello Kitty na Ayan, oh. Nagva-viral ngayon to, eh. Oh my gosh. Tapos ito si Bluey. Mga nagba-viral ngayon. Cute na itong Star Wars. Okay, let's continue shopping. So, ito na yung mga pinabili natin, guys. Haul ko na lang sa inyo pag uwi natin. Ang daming tao. My goodness. So, ayan. So guys, andito ako sa Dollar Tree. Kasi bibili tayo ng ating mga yung ipang de-decorate natin for New Year. So, pero ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga Valentine stuff. Nakalabas na. Ayan, nakalabas na yung mga pang Valentine's, guys. Ano ba mga taong to nagmamadali? Ito yung gusto kong bilihin, eh. Para sa class ni Troy. But I'm not sure yet. Ayan, Diyos Mariosip. Goodness. Oh, ang ganda ng mga bow na to. Ang ganda. Hindi pa nga tapos ang New Year, eh. Valentine's na. Okay, let's go get some. Pili tayo ng ano ba yan? Ba't parang lagi na lang tayo nauubusan? Alright, balik tayo nitong and then hanap tayo ng ano ba yan? Wala na rin. Ay, dito nakalagay yung pang New Year stuff, oh. Wala na. Walang 2. Oh my gosh, wala na rin 2. Walang 2. Number 2. Hindi, hanap muna ako, guys. Wait lang. Oops. So guys, andito ako ngayon sa other Dollar Tree. And ayan, wala na din yung mga 2. Wala na din. Lahat. As in. Oh my goodness. So ngayon, maghahanap na lang ako ng ito ko ako ng pambomba. Hindi ako bumili nito, eh. Ayan. Gusto ko itong balon na to. Okay. Let's go see. Because we need a wine glass.
So guys, ito na yung glass na nahanap natin. So it's 6 piece siya. So ayan. Ito guys, tignan nyo. OMG. And parang like gusto ko nang bumili para sa class ni Troy, pero dito tayo pupunta pagka ano. Tingnan nyo, ito may mga dinosaur, may mga ano. Ang cute niya. Ito maganda to sa class ni Troy. Kasi may pink, may unicorn, tas may mga dinosaur. Tapos ito oh. Ayan, may mga cars pa. Ayan sila. Ang cute. Tapos ito mga ganito naman sa kay Kuya Chad tsaka kay Caleb. Sa klase nila. Oh my goodness. Ito pa. Ay, nako. Ay, meron pa pala doon, no? Mga ano. Alright, let's go. Guys, tignan, oh. It's gonna be raining. Look at that. Look at that. It's raining. Happy New Year. It's raining, guys. Okay. It's raining, men. Woo! What? Hallelujah! It's raining, men. Hi, guys. So, I am done cooking. Well, not really. Nagkukok na lang ako ng lumpia. Ayan.
What this?
Then open it. Oh my gosh, what is happening to my camera? So, ito na yung ating pansit. Luto na siya. Nabawasan na yan kasi pa-deliver ako dun sa mama niya. Ni Josawa ko. And then, ito yung ating lumpia. Ayan, nakapag-deliver na rin tayo. And ayan ang aking hugasan. Oh my God! And ito yung the rest ng lumpia na hindi pa nababalot. And napakadumi pa ng table natin. Hindi ko pa nasiset up yung aking mga fruits. OMG! Ayan guys, kumakain na sila. Nagluto tayo. Tapos, naka-sandwich at saka naka-nuggets.
Mom, after my sandwich.
Kuya's eating pansit.
After my sandwich.
What?
I have nuggets after my sandwich.
Nuggets after your sandwich?
Yeah.
No. Well, you better eat that first. And then maybe you can have some of Sissy because I gave her a lot. Okay? So, ito na guys. And nakabit ko na rin yung 2025. And ito na ating fruits. So, we have grape, strawberry, blueberry. Tapos, nakahanap ako ng mangga. Oh my God. Tapos, meron tayong kiwi, apple, orange. And then, meron din tayong maliit na orange doon. And, sabi ni Natalia, what is it?
A big fat watermelon.
Ayan, may sakit ang bruha, guys. Ayan, ito din yung ating nahanap kaganina sa Dollar Tree na wine glass. Ayan, Happy New Year!
Let's see which one.
Tapos, guys, gumagawa si Daddy ng cheese dip. So, gumagawa na siya ngayon ng cheese dip. So, ito pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung cheese dip. Ayan. So, para may cheese dip tayo mamaya.
We have a ball and balloon.
Watch this. What? Oh, wow.
They bounce to each other.
Yeah.
This one boys. And this one carefully bounces.
Yep.
But that's because it's a balloon. And this one is a ball.
Yep, that's right.
Mama, I got
So guys,
slippery
magdi-DIY tayo. Yung ginawa natin last year na nagano tayo dito, naglagay tayo ng balloon dito sa ceiling tapos pag magka-countdown na, hihilain na natin siya. So, tingnan ko nga tong, kasi merong, ngayon countdown New Year's.
Right here.
Merong countdown New Year's. So, yun na lang papanoorin natin hanggang mag-New Year. Doon tayo mag-ano ng countdown. Sissy, come on. You go call your kuya. Tell them it's time to get ready.
How do you do with this?
Dad, Caleb, Troy!
Is expecting.
Come on!
We're getting ready. Daddy, we're getting ready. You count the balloons.
We're getting ready. We're getting ready. But we're getting ready.
But what are those?
This is our wine.
What Ooh, can I have can I have the Welch's?
They're all Welch's.
Sometimes even the customers can get rowdy.
Except this one.
What is this one?
It's just a drink. It's okay.
I know how to hold these.
I'm gonna find a.
Those rich and fancy people do this. I don't want to drink one of those. These fancy people do this.
Yeah, we're gonna pour
Just a sip.
Because it's 11:49.
Daddy,
It's 11:49.
Hoopinugget.
So yan na guys, 11:49.
I'll take
Great. That's all you stretch. With your tongue. Hey, come here.
Year is almost here. The phones are out to capture the moment on video. That's something
Smell
not
it,
many phones can do. When I started doing this show 20 years ago, it is about to
You smell it, you smell it, you smell it. I want air.
almost time for that big
You want to
moment.
smell it? Troy's gonna smell it.
Set the Here it is, almost 500 feet above the street. Look at that sight. More than 2,000 crystal triangles. After 17 years, this ball is retiring. We'll see a brand new ball next year.
Oh, this is the last time this ball's going.
We're getting close to the countdown tonight. Any resolutions for you?
More the things I love, more Jesus, more family, more gardening, more, yes, more sheep, more chicken.
Get near someone you love.
Alright,
All right.
55. Hey, come on.
We're inside.
Come on.
55 50 seconds now. There's a beautiful shot of the drones counting it down at 45 seconds over the skyline of Manhattan. This is what they've been waiting for all night long. They got here early in the day. They made it through the rain and poured at times, but now got a drop coming down. As we are 30 seconds before the new year.
Swear.
I like it.
Rain
Get in there.
20 seconds.
Get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
Here's tonight.
Okay, get.
Here we go.
Here we go. Get your drinks. Everybody get your drinks. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! It's okay. It's okay. Drink it. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! I can't play on my socks!
Okay, drink it. Swear, drink that. It's good.
Together. There is nothing like this moment in the
That's good.
I need to cry!
Fish, man.
That is gonna clean these up.
If you haven't
Yeah, as long as it's back there.
trust me, you will
Beyond the balloon!
people from all over the city, travelers from
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
singular experience.
Happy New Year! I like it. Happy
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
All right. Dad,
Happy New Year!
try this. You like that? You like that? Mommy, they like it. I like this one. You can fish it out.
It is a
Cheers.
Here's Mommy.
Can I get some more?
Troy, you want a drink?
Yeah, it's in the table. Look at
It tastes Mommy and Daddy.
It's good.
you can actually hear it.
Here, take a sip.
Bring it to me, Caleb.
I'm glad I did.
I like this one.
Happy New Year! Give me this. Mwah. Happy New Year! Mwah. Mwah. Happy New Year! Let's jump! Let's jump! They said in the Philippines you have to jump so you can be taller. Let's jump! Woo! 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 Mommy needs to jump!
Hey, give me kisses. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Love you. No. Don't do that. Sissy. Come here. You have to do this for New Year's. Hey, everybody else did. Everybody else did.
Go, Sissy, get there. Look at the mess.
Those are cool.
Okay, go.
Always got a best tomorrow.
Guys, ako'y matutulog na. It is 1, almost 2 o'clock na. So, Happy New Year, guys! OMG! January 2025 na. Oh my God, sobrang ang bilis ng panahon. Like, seriously. Like 2025 na. And ang dami ko rin kalat na ginawa ni Daddy kaganina yung sa confetti. Tignan nyo. Tapos, pinap niya yung mga ball, yung mga balloon na merong confetti sa loob. As in, tignan ninyo. Ayan, tignan nyo. Ang dami kalat. Ang dami ko tuloy liligpitin bukas. Pero bukas ka na yan liligpitin. Hindi pala bukas. Mamayang umaga pala pagising ko. Diba? So, ayan. So, I just wanna say Happy New Year to everybody. Ako'y, inaantok na. Hindi naman ako inaantok, pero parang nalasing ako dito sa iniinom ko. Tignan nyo. Ano siya? 9 point something alcohol. But, wine lang naman. But, yun. Thank you guys sa lahat ng mga nanood sa amin this 2024. And sana, at sa mga nag-subscribe. And sana this 2025 sana umabot na tayo ng 1,000 subscribers. Sana lang, no? But, yun. Hoping na makaabot tayo ng 1,000 this 2025. So, ayun. So, I just wanna say Happy New Year sa lahat. And thank you sa pag-subscribe, sa panonood sa amin every time na nag-vlog ako. So, yan. Happy New Year sa aking family sa Pilipinas. Happy New Year. I miss you guys. Sobra to the max. But yan. Anyways, good night guys. Happy New Year. Good night.